Hello children, good morning. I am your Lata Miss. Let's do revision of letters B and D. Now which letter is coming first? Let's see. This is letter D. D says D. D phonic sound is D. So you have to say D says D. D. Which letter is this? D. D says D. D says D. Let's do practice with picture. D. D says D. D for dice. D for dice. D for dog. D for dog. D for drumstick. D for drumstick. D for dragonfly. D for dragonfly. D for dolphin. D for dolphin. D for duck. D for duck. D. D says D. D for dinosaur. D for dinosaur. D for drum. D for drum. D for doll. D for doll. D for deer. D for deer. D. Which letter is this? D. D says D. D says D. D says D. D. D says D. D says D. Now next letter. This is letter B. B. Which letter is this? B. B says B. B says B. Let's do practice with pictures. B. B. B for brush. B for brush. B for bucket. B for bucket. B for baby. B for baby. B for balloon. B for balloon. B for ball. B for ball. B for brinjal. B for brinjal. B for bottle. B for bottle. B for bat. B for bat. B. B says B. B for bulbul. B for bulbul. B for bee. B for bee. B for bicycle. B for bicycle. B for bison. B for bison. B for bear. B for bear. B says B. B. B says B. B. B says B. Let's do worksheet. Now you can see some pictures are here. So you have to find pictures. But which letter? Let's see. Oh, this is letter B. And what for B? B for apple? No. B for dolphin? No. Then what? What B for? B for bucket. B says B. B for bucket. So you have to circle the bucket. You have to. Now next. Again some pictures are here. Let's see which letter we have to do. Oh, this is letter D. D. So you have to see which letter. D says D. D for bicycle? No. D for wire? No. Then what? Now D for drum. Drum. So you have to circle the drum. Like this you also do practice. Now some letters are here and you have to do matching. So what you have to do matching? Letter to letter. So let's do matching. So D. Where is D? D says D. D letter match with the D. Like this you have to match D letter to D letter. And this is B. So you have to match with the B. And this is B. So you have to practice like that also. Letter to letter matching. Okay. Now next. Some pictures are here. Now what you have to do here? Again circling. No. What you have to do? See. Oh, baby. There is no letter. So what you have to do? You have to match with the same phonic sound picture. Okay. So B for B. B for baby. B says B. What is the sound of B? B. And what for B? D. Dice? No. Pigeon? No. So what is there? B for baby. B for ball. B. So this is correct. So you have to do matching. Same phonic sound pictures. Now next. Again some pictures are here. And again what you have to do? Oh, dragonfly. So you have to match with the same phonic sound pictures. So what is here? Here dragonfly D. So you have to match with the cat D. No. You have to match with the balloon D. No. Balloon also no. So what you have to match? Yes, you have to match with the dragonfly, the dog. So you have to match same phonic sound picture. Matching. Like this you have to also learn. Now, which letter we revise? Very good. This is B letter and D letter. B says B, D says D. So, say thank you teacher and bye. Thank you.